Everybody, welcome back to Minecraft Pocket Edition. Today, it's night and let's go to our tree house and find the let's find our tree house. But first, I don't see anything. It's bright now. This is our house. Tree house. This is Kasaymizu's, my friend's storage room. And this is my storage room. And our tree house is up there. Up there is I have 3 beds for Ashdab 35, me, and Mizu. And I will sleep. And next, today I'm gonna show you how to build a vending machine. But first, return. I'll be back soon. Okay, it's now gone creative and upstairs here. Hey, what's with that? Go away, zombie. Today we're showing you the vending. You do not need any redstone dust. All you need is wood, dropper, and your button, and a chest. Oh, I almost forgot. I need hopper too. You need to make as wide as you can, as long as you can, and too many dropper as you can, and too many hoppers as you can. Because you can do it much more minier than 1 dropper or 2 dropper. All I need is like this, your square home. Next, all we need is like this, chest, facing like that, a hopper facing like that, and this. Let's place a dropper now. Ready? Get it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you can do this much more up there, or just as long as you have your resources. It's all fine. So we need to do this. And next, I will cover this and this. And this introduce. And lastly, next, put buttons here.
Sino kaya punta?
Ah, do not listen to that. Then make an item frame like that. This. And 5 items like this. Put this. That 5 items, and go around and open these wrappers and fill them with your choices of your blocks like this. Next, I hate putting an item in a dropper. Next, next, and next. Lastly, next, and next, replace again these things, and it's now working. Okay, okay, it's now survival, and you see there's nothing in here. But if I press any button of that, it will come out here like this. I need a wood plank. I push the button. Next, I have it in the chest. Next, I need a dropper, a button, a chest, a hopper. Next, it will go in here. Here it is. Goodbye. Goodbye. Bye.